Okay, everybody, welcome back. Welcome to my ultimate course of math in geometry. We have 50 word problems to go along with. So let's begin. First of all, let's start with problem 1. In the first part, we have angle concepts. This just so happens that we're gonna play a game called angles. So let's begin. For number 1-1, we have a right angle, you see. A right angle such that one angle measures 64 degrees. Now we need to find the other angle. To solve for the other angle, how do we do this? Well, that's easy. Look at the formula in Microsoft Excel. In the formula that I did in Microsoft Excel, I did this. Equal sign 90 minus 64. What does the equal sign mean? Ang paglagay ng equal sign ay yung formula. Then 90, because it's a right angle, minus the given angle, which is 64. And the answer should be, therefore, the measure of angle X should be 26 degrees. 26. Okay? 26 degrees. Got that? Now let's go to number 2. For number 2, this is a bit tricky. Although it's still easy. Here's the problem. It says here that we have angle BAD. Angle BAD measures 136 degrees. Angle CAD measures 96 degrees. And now with that, it's our job to solve for the volume, to solve for angle X. And here we have two answers. We must solve for angle DAE and angle CAE. But what's the solution? Here's how we did it. First, di ba remember this is angle DAE, the one I did. So ano yung ginawa ko? 180 minus 136. Ano yung angle DAE? Ang angle DAE ay yun dito. DAE. So if you have 136 degrees, you know angle BAE forms a straight angle, right? So what we did is 180 minus 136, and you should get, tama, 44 degrees. Tama? You should definitely get 44 degrees for that matter. Next, we have angle CAE, which is this one, CAE. How do we do this? This is a bit tricky, but do not worry, it's still easy. You know why? Because we got 44 degrees, right? So this one here measures 44 degrees. Tama? You see 44 degrees, and then we need to get 96 degrees. Remember 96 degrees? So when you add this up all together, what's the sum? Let's see. Angle CAE, ito yung formula ginawa ko. It's 180 minus C5. What is C5? Let's see what it is. Ayan, C5, which is the cell here, the highlighted cell, which is in number 40, di ba? And you should get 140 degrees. Right? Or another way is this. Di ba, remember yung ginawa ko dito? 136 minus 96. Bakit 136 minus 96? Kasi nga diba, 136 is angle BAD. And angle CAD is 96. So subtract them, you get 40 degrees here. So 40 plus 96 plus 44. Now when you sum these two, yup, you still get 140 degrees. Yun yung sagot. Okay? For this next problem, this might be a bit tricky, but don't worry, it's still easy for you. Look, we are asked to solve for angle MAT, angle RAT, and angle MAI. For angle MAT, look at the clues. Do you see any clues? Yup, there are clues. We have 29 degrees, and then there's an isosceles mark. So we know that the opposite angle is 29 degrees as well, which is this guy. Tama? And then this one is also 90 degrees. So we can apply the concept of complementary angles. So 90 minus 29, ano yung sagot? You should get 61 on both sides. 61 and 61. Now let's add. For angle MAT, trace the figure. MAT, of course, that's 90. Paano kung ginawa ko yung formula? Yes, that's supposed to be 90. Kasi yung common sense. Diba remember, if angle TAN is a right angle. Therefore, we also know that angle MAT is also a right angle. So therefore, halata na 90 degrees siya. Next, for angle RAT. RAT. You know that's 61. Bakit naging 61? Ito yung formula na ginawa ko. 180, which is the grand total minus the sum of the two numbers, 29 and 90. Diba? 29 and 90, which is this one. 29 here. 90. That's 29. Tama? So you should get 61 degrees. Or, what you can do is complementary angle. Diba? This 29. So, pwede 90 minus 29, you still get 61. It will still yield you to that number. For what about angle MAI? For angle MAI, add mo silang lahat. So, what you did is, ganito yun. Sinam ko yung lahat. Sinam ko yung C7 and C8. 90 plus 61. Or 29 plus 61 plus 61, you should get 151 degrees. Or you can do 180 minus 29, which will also yield you to 151 degrees. And that's it for our first three problems.